All right, so this is our room. We are at the Beach Club Villas, so the DVC side, and we rented a 1-bedroom villa. So I'm gonna kind of show you around. This is, if you're coming in the entrance, you're faced with that mirror. And then you walk into the living space with a little breakfast table. I love how they've arranged the plates there. And then you've got a couch that pulls out into a bed. Say hello, family.
Hello,
We've already relaxed and had a snack. And then you've got the rest of the little living room area with your TV and walks out to a balcony. I don't know how to open this door again. There we go. So you can walk out on the balcony, two little chairs, and we are overlooking one of the quiet pools. Coming back in, you'll see from the living room area, we've also got a small kitchen. Right, this is really awesome. With a refrigerator, stove, oven, microwave, coffee maker, dishwasher. So you have to keep in mind that this is the DVC side, so it is meant to be a little more homey than it would be otherwise. So that's when you get the nice kitchen. All right, so walking from the kitchen, hello, random kid in the bathtub. Zachary. You walk into the master bedroom where you have got a large bed.
And Zachary laying
And another Zachary. Another TV. And while it's not a balcony, you do get another nice window with the
another meal.
overlook of the pool from this room. And this is room 308, if anybody's wondering.
Another chair.
Also have a nice desk with a phone and lamp.
Another mirror.
A nice mirror. Yes, thank you, Zachary. And then you walk into the bathroom, which I really, really love. So you have this large tub in case you want to soak after a long day in the parks, and the way my feet are feeling after I've been to Epcot, that might feel nice. And sink with another nice mirror. And that room in there has just like extra supplies and like a
Vacuum cleaner.
vacuum cleaner, another little extra closet. That's where the ironing board is and that sort of thing. Then you walk in here and you have a nice stand-up shower, another sink, and then the toilet's in there. And then you can also either exit from this door or back through this door.
Which is
And
you, not so bad yet.
So yeah, we're big fans. Big fans, right, Meg? Big fan. Good. Zachary just reminded me that I forgot a room. You have a nice little washer and dryer in case you want to do your own laundry. Say thanks and bye.
Bye.